Woodworking is an art that has been around for centuries. It is a craft that has survived the test of time and is still as relevant today as it was back then. In modern times, woodworking has become a popular DIY trend, with more and more people taking up the craft as a hobby. Crafting stunning DIY furniture is a rewarding experience that requires dedication, patience, and skill. The process of transforming raw wood into a beautiful piece of furniture is an intricate one that involves mastering a variety of techniques. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting, there are always new techniques to learn and perfect. In this blog post, we will delve into the world of woodworking and explore the techniques that are essential for crafting stunning DIY furniture. From understanding wood properties to mastering joinery techniques, we will cover everything you need to know to create beautiful and functional furniture pieces. Whether you are looking to create a coffee table, a bookshelf, or a dining table, this video will equip you with the 1. Choose the right type of wood. When it comes to woodworking, choosing the right type of wood can make all the difference in the final outcome of your project. Not only does the type of wood affect the appearance of your furniture, but it also impacts its durability, strength, and resistance to wear and tear. Therefore, it is crucial to understand the characteristics of different types of wood and choose the one that best fits your project's requirements. Hardwoods such as oak, walnut, and cherry are durable and dense, making them a popular choice for furniture that needs to withstand heavy use. Softwoods, like pine and cedar, are lighter and less dense, making them easier to work with and suitable for more delicate projects. Additionally, there are exotic woods such as teak and mahogany, known for their unique patterns and high-quality appearance. By choosing the right type of wood, you can ensure that your DIY furniture not only looks stunning, but also has the necessary strength and durability to last for years to come. 2. Measure twice. Cut once. Mastering woodworking techniques is crucial for crafting stunning DIY furniture. One of the most important rules to follow is the age-old adage measure twice, cut once. This simple phrase emphasizes the importance of taking precise measurements before making any cuts. Rushing through measurements or forgetting to double-check them can result in costly mistakes, wasted materials, and hours of labor down the drain. Instead, take the time to accurately measure and mark your materials before making any cuts. This will ensure that your cuts are precise, your pieces fit together perfectly, and your finished product is exactly what you envisioned. Remember that precision is key in woodworking, and taking the extra time to measure twice will save you time, money, and frustration in the long run. 3. Sanding and smoothing techniques. Sanding and smoothing techniques are crucial aspects of woodworking that can make all the difference in the final product. When it comes to sanding, the goal is to create a smooth, even surface while removing any scratches or imperfections. One technique that can be used is hand sanding, which involves using sandpaper wrapped around a block or other tool to manually smooth the wood. Another method is power sanding, which uses a motorized tool to quickly and efficiently sand larger areas. In addition to sanding, it's important to employ proper smoothing techniques to ensure that the wood is free of bumps, ridges, or other irregularities. For example, a card scraper can be used to remove any rough patches, while a cabinet scraper can be used to smooth larger surfaces. By mastering these sanding and smoothing techniques, woodworkers can ensure that their DIY furniture creations are not only beautiful but also highly functional and durable. 4. Joinery methods for strong joints. Joinery is a crucial woodworking technique that allows craftsmen to create strong and durable furniture. Routing and edge trimming skills are essential techniques that you need to master if you want to create stunning die furniture. Routing is the process of cutting or carving grooves, channels, and other intricate designs into wooden surfaces using a router tool. This technique can be used to create decorative edges, joints, and inlays, as well as to shape the overall profile of a piece of furniture. Edge trimming, on the other hand, involves cutting off the excess wood from the edges of a board to create a smooth and even surface. This is a crucial step in furniture making, as it helps to ensure that all your pieces fit together seamlessly and give a professional finish to your project. By mastering these skills, you can take your woodworking projects to the next level and create high-quality furniture that is both beautiful and functional. 6. Finishing and staining options. When it comes to mastering woodworking techniques and crafting stunning die-eye furniture, finishing and staining options play a crucial role in the final product. These options can bring out the natural beauty of the wood and protect it from damage, while also adding a personalized touch to the piece. The finishing process involves applying a protective coating to the wood to enhance its durability and appearance. This can be done through a variety of methods, including lacquers, oils, and varnishes. Staining, on the other hand, involves adding color to the wood to create a specific look or match existing decor. Whether you prefer a natural finish or a bold stain, learning about the different finishing and staining options available to you, you can help you create a beautiful and long-lasting piece of furniture. 7. Upholstery and cushioning basics. Upholstery and cushioning are important aspects of furniture making, and mastering these techniques can greatly enhance the comfort and visual appeal of your DIY furniture pieces. To begin with, it is crucial to choose the right materials for your upholstery and cushioning. This includes selecting high-quality foam, batting, and fabric that are durable and well-suited to the specific piece of furniture you are creating. Once you have selected your materials, it is important to understand the basics of upholstery techniques such as measuring, cutting, and attaching fabric to the furniture frame. In addition, cushioning techniques such as stitching, tufting, and shaping can help create a more comfortable and visually appealing final product. By mastering these upholstery and cushioning basics, you can elevate your woodworking skills and create stunning die-and-die furniture pieces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. 8. Maintaining your finished pieces. The one crucial aspect of mastering woodworking techniques is learning how to properly maintain your finished pieces. Regardless of the level of craftsmanship, all wooden furniture and creations require routine maintenance to stay in regular cleaning. Polishing and waxing are just a few examples of the necessary steps to keep your